Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all and good morning to everybody. This is our English literature lecture and I'm your English teacher Sidra. Today we are having lecture number 25 of English literature and the topic lesson name is My Love for Dora, as we have been reading plus explanation and doing the written work of the same lesson since Monday. Okay, and today we have to complete this. It's written work also, it's overall feedback, explanation, whatever the question will raise in your mind, you can ask me today so that we can wind up it and we can continue or start the new topic in the new week, okay, in the next week. So you all have to be very careful, very active. You should all have your books, copies, and your stationery boxes. Okay, everything must be in front of you so that we won't waste the time and continue the lecture. So this is the continuation of the previous lecture. It is all about the overview. Okay, I'll give you a brief overview of all the chapters. The lesson is subdivided into 4 chapters. Okay, day by day, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday we have completed all 4 subdivided chapters. It means that we have completed the whole lesson in 4 parts. Okay, in this fifth lecture, in this fifth part of this lesson, we will going to have the overview, the whole story of this lesson about My Love for Dora. Okay, and we will be having a divided 4 parts of overview over here today, and we will complete the complete overview, the whole story of the lesson. I will be asking some questions to you. If you are having any confusion, any problem, you can ask to me. Okay, I'll take your feedback also. I'll ask some RTC dialogues also, that who said these words to whom by closing your books. Okay, nobody will open the book at that time when I'll be asking some presentation questions. Okay, or it will make difficult for you to open the book and find out that dialogue which I am asking for. Okay, so it's okay, it's just a feedback. Okay, I want to know that how you are getting or involving in this topic, as we in the language we were having day by day the new topic. Okay, but this is the lesson which we are continuously having some points of the same lesson. हम एक ही lesson को 4 days से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, and this is now 5 days. Okay, 5 days are completed today. So that's why I want feedback, that how much you have learned, how much you remembered, and how much you can recall when I'll be asking the question to you. ठीक है, आप कितने alert हैं, कितने active हैं, I want to know this thing. Now, first of all, we were having the chapter number 1, which is on page number, it's on page number 56. Okay, again and a loss. Lesson number 9, My Love for Dora, and the first chapter is Again and a Loss. We came to know in this chapter that Mr. Spenlow invites David on Dora's birthday, and the birthday was arranged at a very beautiful picnic spot. Okay, and she has got a birthday. She was beautifully dressed up in this blue colored dress, and she was painting when David arrived there. Okay, she also welcomed warmly David, and she told David that there is a good news for you, David, that Miss Murdstone is absent today. She is not attending the party, so it will be good news for you that she is not here. Maybe she would be annoying for you. That's why she said that David will be happy if he will not be looking Miss Murdstone today. Then David also expressed his feeling for Dora, that he loved Dora very much, and and he will be he is planning to get married with her, and he cannot live without her, as he is madly in love with Dora. Okay, Dora and David decided to get married when David disclosed his all feelings to Dora. Dora also um, expressed her feeling for David, as she also liked David, so she was very much interested in that, and they both decided that they will be getting married in future. Now, what happened in the next chapter? If you people having any problem in the same chapter which I am giving you overview, आप मुझे बीच में interrupt करके you can also ask the question. ठीक है. You can also ask the meaning of some words if you find difficult in the book while reading. Okay. Now chapter number 2 is David's aunt comes to stay. Okay, what happened in this chapter that auntie has a very bad news that she has ruined and all her property and money has been lost, and she doesn't know that who did this. Okay, but only a cottage was left and the little luggage with which she has come to stay with David. She comes to stay with David so that it will be convenient for her to spend some time without money. David tells Aunt about his love for Dora. David also disclosed his feelings and the plan they have already made. David and Dora had already made. He told Auntie Betsy that we love each other and we want to get married in future. But Auntie doesn't like this decision of David and Dora. Okay, what she thinks, she was very much unsatisfied with the decision of David, and she wants to change him about his decision, as they are both very young to get married and to handle and to manage their life after getting married. Okay, and she wants that they should not be married because they are very young for having all those responsibilities and problems which they will be in the eyes of Auntie Betsy. They will be facing so many problems because they are young and they cannot handle that. Then David felt upset and worried. He was very much worried that why Auntie Betsy is not getting satisfied with that decision that uh, we want to get married, and if um, if I will not be getting married with Dora, then I will go mad. Okay, he also told Auntie Betsy that I'll go mad if I'll not be getting married with Dora. Similarly, he also tries to earn more money and to help Auntie Betsy so that he can also show her that he is a responsible person and he is very serious and determined for the future plannings what they have already done. David and Dora, they have already planned, so he is very responsible and serious about that. Now, this was the third chapter, which is on page number 59. Mr. Wickfield has changed. David aunt, David's aunt met with Agnes. Okay, as Auntie Betsy is living with David nowadays because of her problems. So Agnes came to meet David, and David also introduced Agnes to Auntie Betsy. She was feeling very much happy with having the meeting with Agnes, and Auntie Betsy also welcomed her very warmly. Then Mr. Wickfield looked totally changed when Agnes was cleaning and tidying the room of David. They both come, Mr. Wickfield and Julia Heath, they both come inside the house. The bell rang and they both come inside the house. And Agnes was very shocked, as well as Agnes actually became pale by her face. David was very shocked that Mr. Wickfield was looking very unhealthy and he was looking older than previous. Okay, after a long time he is looking towards Mr. Wickfield, but he was looking very much older and he was also looking unhealthy. And he also noticed, which was more shocking for David, is that Mr. Wickfield is obeying Uriah Heep, as Uriah Heep has controlled over Mr. Wickfield as well as his business. So he is actually under control of Uriah Heep, and Uriah was also introduced towards Auntie Betsy. So his twisting habit annoyed Miss Betsy also, and she became very much frightened with the speech of Auntie Betsy, that she has given a fierce speech at that time, that if you are a worm, then behave like a worm, and if you are a man, then don't twist your body like this. Okay, be sensible and stand like human being if you are a human person, if you are a human being. Now at the last chapter, I made some decision. In this chapter, we came to know that David decided to help Auntie Betsy to work more, as he was working in Spenlow and Jorkins, okay, with Dora's father, but he was not paid in that company. Okay, उसको payment नहीं की जा रही थी, not on salary he was working over there. He was just doing the work over there without salary, without payment. So he decided to leave that and to do any work. For that, in the against of that work, he should be paid so that he could help her, his aunt. उनको जो मनी का और जो प्रॉपर्टी का जो प्रॉब्लम था, इट विल बी सॉल्व इफ ही विल बी हेल्पिंग टू आंटी बेट्स. Okay, so he decided to help his aunt by earning some money with job. Then he started working as a reporter to earn more. Okay, he was also he had also written letter to Dr. Strong, as Agnes told David that Dr. Strong is looking for a secretary. So David decided to go over there to meet Dr. Strong and to have a job of secretary with him. Plus, he also discussed this main and very important discussion. He had discussion with Traddles, and he discussed with him that I have to earn money. I have to show myself very determined, very serious, and very responsible in front of my aunt. So I want to earn more and more money so that she would be satisfied. Okay. So David also started news reporter, want to start news reporter job. So Treadle suggested him that you have to learn uh, this the very speedy writing. Okay, you have to learn fast writing, and you need very effort. You need a very hard work to learn this. Skill so that you can be a good reporter and you will earn more money. Okay, so he also said that I will be doing that, I will start learning. And what did Treadle say, that it will be as difficult to learn writing quickly, it is as difficult as you are learning 6 foreign languages at a time. Okay, so it is very difficult, he wanted to say to David, but David said that no, I have to express myself, I have to impress my auntie, I have to show myself a very responsible and determined person in front of Auntie Betsy. So I have to learn this and I will do that. So Traddles also praised David that I didn't know that you have such a determined and very strong, confirm, you can say a very firm decision habit in yourself. Okay, means Treadle was very happy to hear that he is a very determined person and he wants to do anything to earn money. Then the Micawbers left London. Okay, he was actually Traddles came to David to give him the letter in which Mr. Micawber has invited David and Traddles to have dinners, because he is going to leave London in the next morning. Okay, and where he is going? He is going to Canterbury. It's a dull town. It's a very quiet town for them, because London is very much, full of lightning, full of energy. The people are over there, they are very energetic. But the whole family of Micawbers, now they are going to shift at Canterbury. So it is a dull town, but it's very important for Mr. Micawber to get a good job over there, to earn money and to have a good life over there. So he is now, and it is surprising for David also that he is going to start working with Uriah Heep there, and he wants to serve him as a personal clerk of him. Okay, this is all about the lesson, My Love for Dora. Now, I want you all to take out your copies. First, we will do the written work so that the lesson written work will be completed, plus explanation is already done. Okay. First of all, we should start the summary. Same in the same pattern, that first you have to maintain the index, so that when I will be having your copies tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is the submission and collection day. So when your copies will be coming towards me, it should be full of maintenance of index. Okay, and the complete work should be there, because this is not the topic wise lecture we are having. दिस इज द होल लेसन, इसकी मुझे कंप्लीट सीक्वेंस के साथ रिटन वर्क चाहिए है. ओके, everything is recorded, everything is posted in the Google Classroom. If you are not having the convenience, you can go to your friend, to anybody. Okay, very good Asya, I can see you, I can see your copy is there and you are making index. Very nice, very good. So everyone's index should be maintained properly. Okay, words meaning, word sentences, then question answers, as we have completed the question answers in 3-4 ways. Okay, हमने उसको होमवर्क में, क्लास वर्क में, देन अगेन होमवर्क, देन अगेन क्लास वर्क, हमने इस तरह कंप्लीट किया. वेरी गुड शेरोज, आई कैन सी. यस, वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड. Shabash. I want these types of students. They are very much involved. They are exactly. He is happy if I am praising him. I am also happy that they are very much involved in the written works. Now I can see Muhammad Ali also. Yes, Muhammad Ali, your copy. Yes, very nice. Very good. The date should be mentioned at the left side. Okay. Summary key heading should be on the red border. Very nice. Very good. And then with the very next line, you have to start your written work. Very good, Nusaiba. Shabash. Now come to the written work. Okay. Index. I hope you all have made the index. Okay. Index के बाद आप copies open कीजिए. Then you have to write down. Yes, Muhammad Ali, you have to write in the same pattern. Okay. Where I have started new paragraph, you have to start the new paragraph. Yes, everybody note down the date, okay? And at the red border, you have to give the heading of summary. Then with the very next line, you have to start writing. I am also dictating, okay? If you find any difficult word, you can see on the screen. I will also be dictating the spellings of that, okay? Now start writing by giving one fingertip gap. Okay, when you will be starting not with the margin, you will start. You all know that when we start any paragraph, any writings or character sketch हो गया या summary हो गई, you have to start by giving one fingertip gap with the margin. Okay, first paragraph जो हमारा start होगा वो one fingertip के gap से start होगा. David was invited by Mr. Spenlow. Now I am dictating slowly. Okay, you should concentrate on your writing, proper headings, everything. Very good, Manahil. Shabash. David was invited by Mr. Spenlow. Mr. M capital, R small, then there is a period, dot. Okay. Mr. Spenlow, S capital, Spenlow. Mr. Spenlow to attend Dora's birthday party. Dora's D capital and apostrophe S is there. Okay. Dora's birthday party at a beautiful picnic spot. At a beautiful picnic spot. At a beautiful picnic spot. Full stop. There he enjoyed. This is there. THERE. Okay. There he enjoyed. Second form of enjoy. There he enjoyed a lot. There he enjoyed a lot. Full stop. He liked Dora. He liked LIKED. Second form. He liked Dora and wanted to marry her and wanted to marry her and wanted to marry her. Full stop. Meanwhile, MEANWHILE. It's a single word. Don't break it. Okay, इसको दो words में नहीं लिखना. This is a single word. Meanwhile, comma. David's Auntie Betsy. Meanwhile, comma. David's apostrophe S. David's Auntie Betsy. David's Auntie Betsy came to live with him. Came to live with him. Came to live with him. Yes, Alijba, with the same line. It's a summary. It doesn't matter if you change the line, if you don't have the space in the same line. Okay, it doesn't matter. Came to live with him, full stop. She was ruined. She was ruined. RUINED. She was ruined. and was seeking help, and was seeking help, and was seeking, SEEKING, to search, okay, and was seeking help. She was not satisfied. She was not satisfied with David's marriage. She was not satisfied. She was not satisfied with David's marriage with Dora. David's marriage with Dora, as they both were too young. As they both were, as they both were too young. As they both were too young to be married, full stop. One day, comma, Mr. Wickfield came with Uriah Heep. One day, comma, Mr. Wickfield came with Uriah Heep. No, Talha, it's end over here. Yes, Mr. Wickfield came with Uriah Heep. Full stop. David found Mr. Wickfield to be a totally changed person. David found Mr. Wickfield to be a totally changed person. Full stop. To be a totally changed person. Full stop. He was controlled by Uriah Heep. He was controlled by Uriah Heep. He was controlled by Uriah Heep. Full stop. David came to know that Mr. Micawber's family, Mr. Micawber's family, instead of writing this, we can also write the Micawbers. Okay, the Micawbers means also the whole family of Micawber. Okay. Mr. Micawber's, apostrophe S, Mr. Micawber's family was going to London, and was more surprised to know that he was going to serve Uriah Heep as a personal clerk of him. As a personal, Personal, personal clerk, CLERK, personal clerk of him. Okay ji. So this is all about the lessons written work. Okay, we have completed the explanation also. We have also completed the written work of that lesson successfully virtually. Okay, it's very good, and I hope you all are now known with that pattern. Okay. I'm giving you 1 more minute to complete the work. Then we will be coming to the book again. I'll be asking some questions to you. Okay. Some students are still writing. Very good. I can see the work of you all. Sanya Salim Haya Khan, very nice. Very good, Rida. Very good, Ramla. Very nice. Shabash. Yes, Muhammad Ali, I can see your work. Muhammad Ali's work is very neat, very clean. It's just like he has printed the words. His writing is like everything is printed over there. All the students are having very nice writing. The work should be neat and clean so that it can be understandable, it can be clearly seen, it can be readable. Okay, if the work is not neat, it can't be readable. It's difficult to read. Very nice. Very good students, and mashallah, very intelligent students I have. Now we should come to the books again. Okay, I want everybody should open or close, it's up to you. Okay, we have completed the whole lesson. I hope when I'll be asking the question, you can give me the answer very quickly. Okay, I hope I expect this thing. Yes, Halima, can you reply me for the question which I am going to ask? Can you please unmute the mic? First, I'll call the name of the student, then I'll ask the question. Yes, Halima. Yes, I'm going to ask an RTC. He will be responding me for who said these words to me. Okay. I don't know why
Okay,
you should call it happiness. I don't know why you should call it happiness. Who said these words to whom?
Oda said these words to David.
David. When? When did he say these words? Hmm. Huh.
When David go to Dara to tell about to express his love, uh, they were talking and
Yes. 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 Good. Good. Right answer. Okay. Okay. Okay, Ji. And now, Amna Maqsood, can you reply me?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
Amna. I want to know that what were the changes in Mr. Wickfield David found and talked to Agnes. What were those changes?
Miss Mr. Wickfield was a totally changed person. He was in control of urea heap.
Yes, and physically, what were the changes he was having? कुछ changes ऐसे
He
भी
was looking really old,
हाँ, he was looking very old and
and
he was looking
he
unhealthy,
was really, yes, miss.
है ना? और his hands were trembling, right?
Yes,
And the speech was not
and
also
miss,
clear. Okay, when
yes,
he talks, the speech is not clearly understandable for the people to whom he is talking. Okay, fine. Right answer. Okay. Now, Yes, Sheroz. I'll ask a question because he is in habit of raising hands. तो मैं
Assalamualaikum, miss.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. How are you, Sheroz?
Miss Dem is fine, miss. How about you?
Very good. Alhamdulillah. Now give me the answer. ठीक है? I know you are young and we have. Sorry, I know we are young and we have little experience. Yes. What? Who says these words and when?
Miss David. Miss David said this to his aunt.
To his aunt and why?
Because he wanted. Because when he told about the decision that Dora and David has created to get married in the future,
Yes. And auntie was
his
not satisfied to make her
auntie was
satisfied.
not.
Yes.
His bestie was not satisfied because because he thought that they were both were very young and due to very little experience they cannot manage the any problem in their lives after marriage that they will face.
Shabash. Very complete answer. This I want that you have to write in the situation if you find any question regarding the RTC, that what is the situation behind of these lines. So you have to give the complete situation in 4 to 5 lines, not more than that. Okay, half page answer you don't have to give. You just have to give the answer, the situation behind that line in 4 to 5 lines. Okay, not more than that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
now Sanya Salim. Yes, Sanya.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Yes, Sanya.
कैसी हैं आप? कैसी हैं आप?
I'm fine. Thank you so much. Yes. Give me the things what I'm asking. I know, my dear Mr. Copperfield, that we may be sacrificing ourselves by going to a dull town, but surely, Mr. Copperfield, it is a sacrifice for me. It is a far greater one of a man of Mr. Micawber's abilities.
मिस
So
मिस
that
मिस
somebody
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग योर वॉइस.
sorry.
मिस मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. मिस
नहीं आ
मुझे
रही?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. नहीं आ रही.
अच्छा, okay. Now is it okay?
नो मिस, आवाज नहीं आ रही.
क्यों नहीं आ रही? What did I do? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया.
मिस मेरे ख्याल से मेरा नेट का मसला चल रहा है.
I can hear you clearly.
मिस मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. बहुत अटक अटक के आ रही है.
अच्छा, is it clear now?
नो मिस.
No? You can hear me,
No,
but
miss.
you are saying no. Sanya, okay, fine. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'll
मिस मुझे मिस आपकी थोड़ी थोड़ी आवाज आ रही है, लेकिन जो आपने सेंटेंस बोला वो मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा, okay. I'm repeating it again. Okay.
ओके.
I know, my dear Copperfield, that we may be sacrificing ourselves by going to a dull town. Okay. Now give me that who said these words to David. The speaker name.
मिस आंटी बेट्सी. मिस अब आ रही है आवाज.
Okay, fine.
आंटी बेट्सी.
No. No. Yes, Alishba Rizwan, can you give me the reply? Who said these words to David? Yes, Alishba Rizwan.
Miss, Mr. Micawber said these words to David.
Not Mr. Micawber. These are the words told by Mrs.
Micawber,
Micawber.
Mr. Micawber.
Yes, Mrs. Micawber ने कहे थे with David when they were, what they were doing at that time?
They were packing their मतलब
Luggage?
सामान घर
Yes,
में
हाँ. To go
to go Canterbury.
Canterbury. Yes, Canterbury. Okay, very good. Okay, fine. Now, still we are having 4 minutes, so we can ask one more question. Anam Zafar, can you reply me? Anam Zafar, can you give me the answer of next question, what I'm going to ask? Okay, Talha Adnan, can you? Only few students are raising their hands. Only they unmute their mic to reply me. What about?
Assalamu alaikum, miss.
Alaikum assalam. How are you, Talha?
Miss, I am fine.
Very good. Shabash. Now give me the reply.
Miss, what is your question?
Sorry? Are you giving?
Miss, what is the question?
Yes, I'm asking that. I'm giving you the line. You have to tell me the speaker name, okay? I'm very grateful to you, my dear Treadles. I will begin tomorrow. I will buy a book with a good plan for learning this art. Yes. Who said these words to Treadles?
Miss, David said these words to Traddles.
Yes, when
When they were talking about, when they were David was asking him about the work.
About the work and about new job he is going, we want to.
Decision that what he should do at that the decision what he should do.
So what he was going to do? What was the job about?
He was Treadles gave him the suggestion of working as a news reporter.
Very good. And what was the art he is going to learn? डेविड किस आर्ट की बात कर रहा है?
The learning languages, different languages.
No. He said I
6
have
languages.
a book with a good plan for learning this art. The art is about not learning languages. It is about to write quickly.
News.
The art of writing very fast, very quickly. This is the art which is needed for the job of news reporter.
Writing.
Okay, fine. Thanks to all. Thank you very much for your active participation. Okay, now we have only 2 minutes. Acha, if you are having any problem regarding this lesson, you can ask. Okay, and the lesson is completed. Homework and written work of the classwork, it is all about the topic, and we will inshallah having the collection of your copies and submission of your copies tomorrow. Okay, your work must be very proper, and if you have missed with anything, especially word sentences should be completed. Okay, 5 words I have given to you to complete to write the sentences. Okay, so this question must be done in everybody's copy. Okay, I want every copy is having this question. Okay, so inshallah we will meet on next Monday with new topic. Okay, and with the explanation and written work, you people are very much cooperative, and I really enjoy your class. Thank you so much, everybody. We will meet inshallah in the next week. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.